Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam says Bharatiya Janata Party is not a threat to Congress in Manipur. BJP Haingang Mandal appeals to BJP leaders not to give ticket to candidates with criminal background. And village chief as Otkomang Mate and church chairman Tilpao Haukip of N Gamnom village found dead. People call for 16-hour band. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangdam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam has categorically stated that Bharatiya Janata Party is not a threat to Congress in Manipur. He said the BJP is nowhere in the state. Speaking at the one-day youth political conference at Kairang Paya ground today, the Deputy Chief Minister said the Congress Party is a party which has the support of the mass. Gaikangam said the people have their faith in the Congress Party. He accused the BJP, which came to power in the centre in 2014, of creating more problems and hardships for the people. He said BJP is not suitable for Manipur and is not fit for contest with Congress. He maintained that the BJP leaders who are shouting at the top of their voice that they will form the next government are digging their own graves. The youth political conference was organized by Haingang Block Youth Congress Committee. Minister Abdul Nasir, MLAs Dr. N.J. Bijoy and Y. Shur Chandra also accused the NDA government of being a communal.
Manipur context hirabasu basiki train se yam dangerous am oiba sama ma leba am oina lekha tagadaba norok ta sanction lakpag dauna tawba mayam samnaba yadaba party amabu sarkar pahellu bagi madigi dasa se hoji phau lakpasi onthok pa mamang ngai thokhidiba awa anang mayam se thengnar atai gi state di khangde dubu Manipur oinadi aidi lamba nattabra lawjaba hatar makhoi da sum khoi na toina panchaluradi karino ma oiraba jala makhoi se kangau da ko chen chela ko yae da ba aidi thodok na panning de hajab BJP sinau sing si leader sing se masa ge phumjadana ba sanskrit to phum thi batongna wathok lang thok ase onthok pa doctor anti people oiba anti state oiba anti nation oiba adugumba thabak thudang mayam ma pakhadei.
BJP Haingang Mandal has appealed to the party leaders not to give tickets to candidates with criminal background. Addressing media persons at Ahalup in Haingang constituency, spokesperson of Youth Committee BJP Haingang Mandal, Kangjam Pradeep said he joined BJP because of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision and his approach to development of all states. Pradeep stated that he has been working to strengthen BJP in Haingang. He maintained that the BJP should not give tickets to politicians with criminal background. He also said if the party gives ticket to someone with criminal background, BJP Haingang Mandal will not accept it and it will also not be good for the party.
Shri Nongthumam Birena Mahaki Masanupa Nongthumam Ajena Mi Hatle Habisi Media the Fongana Justice na Putoktana Kangalaba Sahi Ma Taruk Chupna Hariba Shri Nongthum Birena Kupsan Ruthamubu Masidi Prajamyamda Sena Kangaba Justice Putoraba Matamasida Achieve.
People today held a religious ceremony for KB Kothang, who is an aspiring candidate in the upcoming 11th Assembly elections in 42 Tengnopol Assembly constituency. The ceremony was held this morning at Kwarok Maring Village Baptist Church in his birthplace in Senapati district. KB Kothang was chairman of DRDA and District Planning Committee, Thaubal and president of Maring Upara Assembly. Muslim people today urge the Congress party to give ticket to aspiring candidate from minority community Muhammad Wahidur Rahman in the upcoming 11th Assembly elections in Kairao Assembly constituency. Kairao Kendra Election Central Committee also drew the attention of the Congress party to Wahidur Rahman to bring development in the constituency. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh condoled the demise of Professor Gangumai Kamai. In a press release, the Morcha said its members observed 2-minute silence at a condolence meeting. Kongjom Battle Memorial Committee Manipur has also condoled the death of Professor Gangumai Kamai. In a press release, the committee said Professor Gangumai Kamai was closely associated with the committee and his untimely death is a great loss for Manipur. The dead bodies of village chief S. Okomang Mate and chairman of the church Tilpao Haukip of Ngamnom village in More block were found today. Both of them were abducted at gunpoint by armed persons on the 6th of this month. The two bodies were found in Nongkam village of Indo-Myanmar border. Soon after the news of recovery of their bodies spread, More police and leaders of different communities rushed at the areas to collect the bodies. Myanmar authority denied a request by SDPO More to allow to bring the bodies on Myanmar road. 3 Shaktiman trucks will bring them along the Indian road. Tribe Union and Mate Youth Union condemned the killing of S. Otkomang Mate and Tilpao Haukip. In a press release, the two unions asked for clarification from those responsible for their death. They also appealed for punishment to the culprit. People have called for 16-hour ban tomorrow against the killing of chief of Ngamnom Kul as Otkomang Mate and church chairman Tilpao Haukip by unidentified armed men. They called for ban on National Highways 102 and in More town from 8 a.m. till 12 a.m. Speaking to media at the Hill Tribal Council office, President of the Council Jangmang Haukip condemned the killing. He urged the government and other authorities concerned to identify the killers and punish them. The ban will, however, exempt people going for religious functions.
Government of Manipur, Government of India na sigumba culprit fataba mayam na pamdaba tobasing mi hadbasing si kanano matam chana thidok bi heraga madik chawa action lobinaba all community leaders of More on behalf the appeal to jay fataba tobasing si amuk tobidanaba appeal su toraga aduga sigumba tobasing sinasu maram karino chapchana athuba madamda maram leidana mi si hui yen gumna hadba si koi mayam pamde athuba madam da si maram se bibina ba koi appeal to jay.
Cybercrime Unit Imphal West has arrested a person for sending lewd messages on WhatsApp to a girl. The accused has been identified as 24-year-old Mayang Langbam Krishna Chandra Singh, son of Gojin Singh from Kakching Kuno, Thingam, Tarung Lekai. He was arrested after the girl complained to the police about the messages. Unidentified miscreants planted a Chinese hand grenade at the gate of Y. Shushil Kumar at Thangmiban, Hizam, Dewan Lekai. The bomb was discovered this morning around 8. A team of Imphal West Police removed the bomb around 11:30 a.m. Bomb disposal squad exploded it at Lumphel. People today held a sit-in against yesterday's blast at Narimthong Kulem Lekai, Ngangom Lairak under Lumphel Police Station, injuring 2 personnel of 143 Battalion CRPF Lumphel. The protest was held by Nupi Singhi Apunbayai Palup, Narimthong Kulem Lekai and other women organizations of neighboring areas in front of BBC Coaching Center.
Bom tammi bache mase khoi mayam yaning di hedana akhoi sangchan mayam se maningi maira pabi adegi mamang maira pabi kalap nu khoi se loina pullaga khoi se loina phamjabani matung da mase gum se hanna thopi da na ba tobi da na ba khoi mi sukyamna chillaba mafam jida sigunju lairi angang hing loina changthong changhing tawi mafam asida moina bom thamjan birami se karama sangchan tawiri bano masi chi sengthok bache khoi ima bi mayam ne khoi je pamjei.
The 48-hour general strike calls against the attack on the president of Kuki Students Organization, KSO Gunpi Block, Jangkolam Guite, and social worker Jamting Tangjau on New Year will end midnight tonight. The general strike, supported by Chandal District Kuki Chiefs Association, Kuki Women Union for Human Rights, Kuki Students Organization, Thadao Students Association, United Zau Organization, All Tribal Women Organization, Molnoi Area Welfare Council, KSO Gunpi, KSO Kenjoy, KWHR Gunpi, KWHR Molnoi Area hit live in the two districts. One-day awareness program on Viva's credit card was held today. Viva's cards were also distributed at the program organized by Patsoi Kendra Social Upliftment Organization, Paksuo, at Kwakaithel Thongnaucham Laikai Development Association ground. Cards were distributed to 1,500 Vivas from polling booth 49 in Patsoi constituency. Paksuo Chief Patron Chungkham Bijoy said people in Patsoi are not aware of the scheme launched by Ministry of Textiles to help the women weavers in 2006. He said people's representatives have not popularized many other such schemes. Time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital, performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available. Hurry for advance booking to avoid disappointment. Free charge for BPL families.
Manipurda ihan hanba oina Sigma Bazaar da phangbiragani melamine crockery items sing kg amada lupa chani khudong chabasi lawbiho ngasi maglengsin birau Sigma Bazaar Dingku Road.
Tata Shakti J6 set Sizinabiu. Government piba guideline gi matung inna chap chana quality control torba Tata Shakti ki product ni. Tata Shakti ki product sing set asigi district khudimuk ki retail outlet sing da fangbigani. Tata Shakti.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polem Laikai, Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016 including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I see success in Angel Coaching Yarn Beverly, Sunga Number, I see success in Sunga Number, I have
the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Fangbiragani lakadoriba imoinu imagi ira thaunida tangai fadana changadoraba angauba nga pengba amadi ngaton ngasimak order tobihau pengba amadi ngaton gidamak akaknaba stock ni Phangpham S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm Hyangthang.
Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President T.N. Haokip and Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam greeted the people on the occasion of Imoinu Numit and Gangai. Patriotic Association of Manipur PAM held a 20th Mani Padikond Annual State Conference on the theme Girl, Child, Protect and Support today. The event was organized at Indian Medical Association, Lamphal. Senior pediatric consultants, pediatricians, nurses, MBBS students and research scholars took part in the event. Research scholars and doctors presented various papers on the scientific session and award paper session. Students who bagged medals at the National Youth Exchange Program were felicitated today at an event held at Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur State Branch, MG Avenue. Around 20 students from Manipur participated in the exchange program held at Sacred Heart School at Moga in Punjab from December 22nd to 29th. The Manipur team took part in 15 events and won medals in folk song, group songs and skirts and won 12 medals. The students also shared their experiences in the National Youth Exchange Program. Centenary celebration of Lions Club International was held today at Lions Club Sangai Pro. To mark the celebration, Lions Club Imphal distributed rice to women vendors at Kwakathel Bazaar. Speaking on the occasion, Senior Lions of Lions Club Imphal said the non-political service organization founded by American Melvin Jones has 20 Lions Club in Manipur. The mission statement of the club is to empower volunteers to serve the communities, meet humanitarian needs, encourage peace and promote international understanding through Lions Club. District Magistrate Churachandpur Lunminthang Haokip has suspended all arms licenses issued to persons living in Churachandpur district with immediate effect and until the expiry of 1 week after declaration of results of the assembly elections. In an order issued on the 4th of this month, the DM directed the persons concerned to deposit arms and ammunition to the nearest police station within 1 week. Good Governance Day was observed today in connection with the 92nd birthday of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The event was held by Election Commission of BJP aspiring candidate of Singtamay constituency, Oinam Roman, at Singtamay Thongam, Oinam Thingil. Speakers at the event alleged the Congress government in the state does not understand what is good governance. People held a sit-in at Rims Road, Soram Laikai, Chungkham Lairak, Kangjabi Machin, Punsi Kaithil and Ichil Club against the economic blockade and failure of the state government and centre to take action against the UNC. Sahitya Seva Samiti and Film Forum Manipur have announced the Lifetime Achievement Awards of the SSS Manifa 2017 in Manipur Film, Dance and Shumang Lila. In the Manipur Film category, filmmaker L. Pankaj Sharma, T.H. Brindasabi in dance and renowned Sumang Lila artist Purai Latpam Gunachandra Sharma have been selected for the awards. The awards were announced at the office of Film Forum Manipur, Lamphal by Film Forum Manipur Chairman L. Surjakanta and Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur Award Committee Chairman K3 Bira. 24 films including 2 travel films were selected for the award. A book entitled A Sense of Transcendental Realization written by Sanasam Cha Mangi Mangang was released today at Manipur Press Club. The book was released in connection with the year-long Silver Jubilee celebration of Nongchup Haram Khorjai Loop. Now to sports news. Cyclone Thangmibun have entered the semi-final of the first Tongbram Subol Memorial Veteran Cricket Tournament. They beat Nauriya Pakang Lakpa Sports Association in quarter-final. Nauriya Pakang Lakpa Sports Association won the toss and batted first. They made 108 for 9. In reply, Nauriya Pakang Lakpa Sports Association made 110 for 3. Cyclone Thangmibun's bowler Sudhir was declared man of the match. First state-level men's fitness challenge organized by CrossFit Nagamapal kicked off today. A marathon race from Nambol Bazaar to Tidim Ground was held on the first day. More than 70 runners took part in the race and 50 runners will be selected for the second-leveled event mountain running. The third level will be event plank. The last level push-up event will be held on the last day of the Yaosheng Festival this year to choose the winners.
High intensity, conservative, functional movement of the Polas and as a only season of New York for the Canada, Bambo later, Hooray, Bus, and Roy Mayam, the Norman Yum, the Lebu, Mayam, Mapangan, and a kind of fitness for talking to the Vani, and open a Hamas in the words for say Ham the Marathon, and Marathon around me 70 more percent away, me 70, the Miyanka Kanza, Miyanka, Matan in my Mitamu, open a Moyanka, Ching the Lamjan has a Mikun Sam, Gatani, when contrast their move, Matan in my Mitamu, open a more CrossFit Nagapanda, Mokam Sidamu, Apena playing Hyper, or walks it of the Matuna Sitting with Tara, Kanzaraga, the Oxengi, when we see the mega event of the Gani, mega events of the post in the Pusa, some system 1 to 3 the Kalamatunda, money to give this man have to circuit of the Gani.
Manipuri Taekwondo players who bagged gold, silver and bronze in national and international Taekwondo tournaments in Kolkata were felicitated today at Kairao Bitra Awang Laikai, Imphal East. The players who bagged medal in the tournaments are Kangapam Pradesh, Assam Albert and Chongtham Bikramjit of Langdum, Maning Laikai. Social worker Ningthaucham Itomba presented them with gifts. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Kangham says BJP is not a threat to Congress in Manipur. BJP Hangang Mandal appeals to BJP leaders not to give ticket to candidates with criminal background. And village chief S. Otkomang Mate and church chairman Tilpao Haukip of Ngamnom village founded. People called for 16 Aban.